Hello, and thank you for joining us today on Main Street Party of Four. We are going to take a look at the pool deck on the Utopia of the Seas Royal Caribbean ship. So, come on along. Welcome home! Alright, so here we go on the pool deck. This is deck 15 on the Utopia. You have a couple of different water slides when you first walk out that you'll see. We have the Perfect Storm, which has the Cyclone, the Supercell, and the Typhoon. If we sit here for a second, we might be able to see somebody come down. Let's take a look. And then you'll see you have to walk out of the pool deck. You have a splash zone for the kids over there. We'll walk around that way. A couple of different hot tubs. You have the main pool. Cabanas that you can rent as well. A couple of different hot tubs. There are several bars up here as well, including the lime and the coconut. There are several different bars for the lime and coconut. There's a big screen that just shows different videos throughout the day. You have a plunge pool here. You have another main pool here. And again, we are on the opposite side of the pool deck from where we came in. Your shower area, another plunge pool. Right over here, another big pool here, and then we're gonna walk around this way on the opposite side, so I can show you guys some of the seating areas as well. Go Braves! So here's some more seating areas here. There is Sprinkles ice cream. These guys are always ready to serve you up some nice cold ice cream. There you go. And then here's the kids' splash zone. I gotta say, I'm really impressed with the Utopia. This is such a beautiful boat, and the staff is incredible. The people we've met on the boat have really been fun to hang out with, and everyone seems so friendly. And again, we're back around to the other side. Again, here's your other side of the splash zone there. And this is where you come out when you finish your water slide. Back around this way, you'll find yourself at the solarium or the view bar. And we did do a video on the solarium, so I'll put a link to that in the comments for you, or rather in the description of this video for you. And that's gonna do it from the pool deck here on Royal Caribbean's Utopia of the Sea. Thanks for joining us. And you know what we like to say, don't forget to share the magic.
Main Street Party of Four.